Ready for occupancy or a pre-selling unit na mabilis malipatan? Complete turnover and as low as 10,000 lang na monthly amortization? Kung lahat ng yan ang hanap mo, dito ka na sa Mercedes Homes. Ito ay located sa Barangay San Isidro Norte, Santo Tomas, Batangas. Walking distance lang from Padre Pio Shrine at meron ding shortcut papuntang Walter Mart, Tanawan. Few minutes away lang from National Highway at accessible din sa FPIP at SM City, Santo Tomas. This is the Sabina Model Unit. Complete finish na 2-story townhouse with a minimum lot area of 54 square meters and floor area of 70 square meters. With living, kitchen, dining, and laundry area. Meron ding 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a terrace. Kaya pamilya at gamit mo na lang ang kulang upon turnover. Alam mo bang pwede mo na rin itong malipatan kahit hindi ka pa tapos sa down payment? Kung paano, message me for complete details. This is Rochelle P. Moreno of Yesland Realty, your accredited real estate salesperson.